Hi, I'm Charles Sparkle and today I'm going to make some marbling ink notepads. Now let's get started. Here are the marbling notebooks that I made earlier. And also I've got pictures as well, floss. Sometimes they can get air bubbles in, like this one. This one's got the most air bubbles. You can do all kinds of different colours, like this one's in a yellow paper. And this one's on pink paper. And even if you do some neon, like I did, you can even do it on black paper. Like this. Or you could even do it on white paper. Now I'm going to show you how to make them. So first, you need to put a glove on, like this, so you don't get marbling ink all over your hand. Only do this on one hand, because on the other hand, you need to put the paper up. So second, you need to put some water in a baking tray, like this. This is only like a pint full. So now you need to put 3 drops of 2 marbling inks in. I'm putting a purple and a yellow in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the same with my yellow. So now I'm going to blow it a little bit. I'm doing this because it will make it swirl around a bit more. Now this is a bit of an experiment. All waters are different, but this time I'm using Devon water. Devon water is quite soft, that's why it's a bit different. So now I got a piece of card and I'm going to plump it in like that. 3, 2, 1, go. This is what mine look like. So now I'm going to put it on some newspaper. And I'm putting it on the newspaper to dry. So now I'm going to pick some more colours. What colour do you think I should use? Here are the options. Gold, silver, copper, green, indigo, blue, yellow, red or black, or maybe some orange. What colour do you think I should pick? Gold and silver? Yeah! So now I'm going to put my silver in first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to blow around a bit like I did last time. So now I'm going to get another piece of card and place it like I did last time. This is what my one looks like. So now I'm going to try with blue and orange. Now I'm going to hoover the paper. Ready? Now I'm going to dry the paper. Now I'm done. Now I'm going to turn it into a notebook. First I'm going to put that up. Now I'm going to staple it. So now I'm going to use my Swivel stapler to do this. Now I've finished my masterpiece, which is a marbled paper notebook. Bye! I hope you make these at home and have fun with them. See you next time, bye! First I'm going to put my glove on. Is it on yet? Oh, okay. So now, wait. See you next time. Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Okay.
See you next time. Bye. See you next time.